You know, most car enthusiasts have no trouble dumping a ton of money into their project in things like custom engines or interiors or wheels and tires and all that great stuff. But when it comes time to replace old nasty hardware, things like nuts and bolts, that kind of thing, for some reason, some people get really stingy and keep reusing the old junk. Let me show you what I'm talking about. A prime example of that are these set screws that hold this big, massive brake drum in place. Now, what's going to happen is eventually that flathead screwdriver is going to strip these heads out. It's almost done it already. And eventually, you're not going to be able to get the screws out to take the hub off. So then you're going to have to drill each one out and get the threads out. And it is completely avoidable if you replace stuff like this once it starts to get worn. Now look at this. I do recommend getting away from this old flathead design and going with something more modern like this that takes an Allen wrench. Now the reason for that is obviously this is much stronger and much less prone to stripping out than the old flathead deal. Also, if you want to keep these threads from rusting in place, a little bit of anti-seize on the threads will keep that from happening. If you take care of an issue before it becomes a problem, this will make working on your vehicle so much more fun way down the road.